Okay, this is a video of my Tesla Model 3 Performance where I'm about to roll over to 50,000 miles. The Tesla Model 3 has a basic warranty that's good for 3 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. So my vehicle is about to run out of warranty. I've had a lot of warranty repairs, but for the past several months I've had no issues with the car, and it's been a reliable vehicle, and it's the best vehicle I've ever owned. So I'm looking forward to another 150,000 miles and even more with the car. So I don't know if I can get a better focus here. So I should be rolling over here soon. And currently I'm just south of the border in South Carolina, heading on Interstate 95, heading towards North Carolina. I'm currently on a long distance trip from Florida to North Carolina.
In 1 mile. Exit right to exit 193, South Carolina 9, South Carolina 57, Dillon, Little Rock. Then turn right.
And that's 50,000 miles. I'll catch you later.
Exit right to exit 193, South Carolina 9, South Carolina 57, Dillon, Little Rock.